Canara Bank. Together we can.
The Canara Bank story is more than a century old. It started in July 1906 at Mangalore, then a small port town in Karnataka. Canara Bank was founded by Sri Ammembal Subbarao Pai, a great visionary and philanthropist. Sri Subbarao Pai went from door to door collecting deposits for the fledgling bank. More than a century back, he realized the importance of education for women and set up a girls' school in Mangalore. His thoughts on banking are worth emulating even today. A good bank is not only the financial heart of the community, but also one with an obligation of helping in every possible manner to improve the economic conditions of the common people. His founding principles were equally lofty. With such a visionary at the helm, little wonder that the bank soon grew to be among the country's fastest growing and most respected financial institutions. Canara Bank's vision is to emerge as a preferred bank by pursuing global benchmarks in profitability, operational efficiency, asset quality, risk management, and expanding the global reach. And our mission is to provide quality banking services with good customer care, create value for all stakeholders, and continue as a responsive corporate social citizen.
A very hearty welcome to all of you on the occasion of the 108th Founders Day of Canara Bank. On this day, I would like to recollect the message of our illustrious founder, Shri A. Subbarao Pai, and how his ideals have inspired us. While we meet the banking requirements of all segments of the society, agriculturists, artisans, small businesses, all the way up to the mega corporates, Canara Bank has always maintained focus on the needs of the common man in line with the vision of its founder. In the coming years, Canara Bank would like to play a major role in putting the Indian economy on a path of faster, more inclusive growth. This can be done only if we extend our reach across urban as well as rural India. We have to lend a helping hand to entrepreneurs who want to build enterprises and create wealth. We have to fulfill the aspirations of consumers who want to lead a better life. We have to ensure that no one is denied higher education due to lack of financial resources. We can do this by extending our network, by creating new services, by deploying advanced technology and better systems. We are also fully committed to increase our role in all segments of corporate social responsibility. We have a team of highly talented and dedicated people who can make this happen. With their support, Canara Bank is sure to maintain its status of being a preferred bank in the future, fulfilling its old slogan, serving to grow and growing to serve. The bank is on a constantly rising growth trajectory, thereby fully meeting the expectations of all its stakeholders.
The bank has gone through various phases of growth during more than 100 years of its existence. Canara Bank has grown phenomenally since its nationalization in 1969 in terms of geographical reach and clientele segments, attaining the status of a national level player. During its journey, in its quest for excellence, it has scaled many peaks of performance. The 1000th branch of the bank was inaugurated in 1976. In 1992-1993, we were the first bank to articulate and adopt the directive principles of good banking. The maiden IPO of the bank was launched in 2002-2003. A new corporate identity of the bank was launched in 2006-2007. The bank's aggregate business crossed 6 lakh crore rupees in June 2013. The bank's focus has always extended beyond commercial success to cover wider corporate social responsibility. Canara Bank has carved a distinctive mark in serving national priorities, promoting rural development, enhancing rural self-employment through several training institutes, and spearheading financial inclusion objectives. The bank has set up more than 60 RSETIs and route SETIs in different parts of the country. To enhance financial inclusion, the bank has 2 RRBs in Karnataka and Kerala and 1,200 rural branches all over the country. It has also employed nearly 1,500 customer service providers. The bank is actively participating in Direct Benefit Transfer or DBT scheme of the Government of India and undertaking the seeding of Aadhaar numbers on a war footing. We were the first bank to employ women in our staff way back in the 1940s. In the year 2001-2002, the bank opened a first-of-its-kind Mahila banking branch in Bangalore for catering to the needs of women clientele. We were the first bank to offer educational loan even before the RBI and IBA guidelines on this were announced. It was among the first banks in the country to offer Kisan Credit Card and agricultural consultancy services to serve the needs of our rural population. Canara Bank has always believed that technology is a prime tool to deliver faster, more efficient service to our customers. Core banking, internet banking, mobile banking, and several other services have been introduced to offer speed and convenience to customers in the personal as well as business segments. Internet banking service was launched by Canara Bank in the year 2002-2003. 100% coverage under core banking solutions was achieved in the year 2010-2011. The bank's recent IT initiatives include funds transfer through Interbank Mobile Payment Services or IMPS in ATMs, ASBA facility to net banking users, e-filing of tax returns and facility for viewing details of tax deducted at source, terminal at select branches for customers to use net banking, SMS email alerts for all transactions done, online payments irrespective of amounts, online loan applications and tracking facility, generation of automatic pass sheets through email, and automatic renewal of term deposits. With an unbroken record of posting profits since inception, it has scaled up its position to emerge as a major financial conglomerate with as many as 9 subsidiaries, sponsored institutions, and joint ventures in India and abroad. During the course of its journey, the bank has taken over as many as 11 banks in the past. The bank has made its forays beyond Indian shores, establishing international branches in London, Leicester, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Bahrain. 14 more locations in different countries have been identified for opening of branches soon. The growth story of Canara Bank has continued unabated for more than a century. Today, Canara Bank occupies a premier position among Indian banks with an ever-growing clientele base exceeding 5 crores, served by over 4,444 branches and more than 4,200 ATMs nationwide. The bank's total business as on September 2013 stood at 6.73 lakh crore rupees. Over the years, the bank has won many awards and accolades from reputed institutions. We strongly believe that the next century is going to be equally rewarding and eventful, helping the bank emerge as a preferred bank with best practices. This justifiable belief is founded on strong fundamentals, customer centricity, enlightened leadership, and a family-like work culture. And the journey of Canara Bank continues as we go on seeking higher and higher peaks to scale.
Canara Bank, Hamara Bank. Canara Bank, it's our bank. Canara Bank, together we can.